Alright guys, so this is what the star lights look like. So the closer the lights are to your wall or ceiling or siding, the closer the cluster is going to be, and the further away you move the light from the object, it's going to spread the stars out more. Hello everyone, welcome back. So for today's video, we are reviewing Christmas projector lights. So let's go ahead and show you what you get inside the box, and let's set it up so you guys can see. So inside the box we get a plastic stake. Actually no, that I believe is metal. It's plastic, but I think there's metal inside, or at least at the top for the stem there's metal. So the housing unit of this is actually metal. So this is metal. And to mount this, if you're going to be mounting it, you can place it just like this, and the screw goes down in. So I'll show you how that works. They provide you with plenty of cable so you can mount this anywhere you want. There's a manual inside, but it's very simple. This gets plugged into an outlet. This plugs in just like this. So you line this up, slowly turn until you line it up, press it in, thread this on the whole way, just like that. And then for this, go ahead, take the tool that they provide you and thread this out. So you're gonna just simply thread that out like that. Line this up to however it's easier for you. And we're gonna put the screw right through the hole, just like this. Now we're going to take this stem and we're going to thread it through. Once you got it in and tight, you can then use your tool, bend this straight out, use your tool to twist this on and make it extra tight. Once you got that on tight, you can then adjust these to make it tight and loose however you want to position it, because this is going to go down into the grass and that's how it's going to be positioned. Let's go ahead and set this up and show you what it looks like. Alright guys, so this is what the star lights look like. So the closer the lights are to your wall or ceiling or siding, the closer the cluster is going to be, and the further away you move the light from the object, it's going to spread the stars out more. So this cluster you see right here of stars up here, the further you move the light from the siding of your house or a wall, the more that cluster separates. So it's designed like that so you can move it pretty far from your house and still have stars all around. And the closer you get, the closer the cluster of stars get. Overall, it's very nice.